For sequence a sub n, where r is positive, the sum of the first 10 terms is 2, and then the next 10 terms is 64, and we're going to find the common ratio. So let's look at this a little bit, unpack it. We're going to let a be the first term, so a sub 1 equals a, and we'll let r be the common ratio. So if you look at the sum of the first 10 terms, which is, if you look at this formula here, that would be your first term times r to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by r minus 1, and that equals 2. So that's given for us. Now, let's look at this second one here. The second sequence, we have a sub 11 plus a sub 12 plus a sub 13 plus dot 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 plus a sub 20. Well, this actually equals our first sequence. Let's do a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus dot 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 plus a sub 20, right? So if I do all the terms minus the first 10 terms, so that would be minus a sub 1 plus a sub 2 plus a sub 3 plus dot 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 plus a sub 10, right? Because that's what this equals. Now that we have that, that means this equals the sum of the first 20 terms minus the sum of the first 10 terms is going to equal 64, because that's given here. All right, because that gives me this right here. All right, so basically what we have is S sub 20 equals the sum of the first 10 terms plus 64. Well, the sum of the first 10 terms is 2. So the sum of the first 20 terms is going to equal 2 plus 64, which equals 66. All right, now that we have that, let's use this formula like we did this one. And I'll write this one down again. So let's look at this. If we do the sum of the first 20 terms, that equals your first term times r to the power of 20 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Now I can rewrite this as a and use my difference of squares. So r to the power of 10 minus 1 times r to the power of 10 plus 1. Right? So we're just using the a squared minus b squared thing. All right, divided by r minus 1. So I just expanded that, and we already know this equals 66. All right, now what I want to do is call this equation 2, and I'm going to call equation 1 is the first one we got. And that one was S sub 10 equals a times r to the power of 10 minus 1 divided by r minus 1 equals 2. So what I want to do is take equation 2, divide it by equation 1. Now when you divide these two, these a's are going to go away. So let's just write this part, and these are going to go away. These are going to divide out. So basically we're going to have this equals r to the power of 10 minus 2 minus 1 divided by let's see, I got them flipped, r to the power of 10 plus 1 divided by r to the power of 10 minus 1. Now this is 2 here, and this is 66. Now let's simplify. These two go away, so what we get is r to the power of 10 plus 1 equals 33. Or r to the power of 10 equals 32. Now 32 equals 2 to the power of 5. So if I want to write this to the power of 10, I'm going to have to write this as square root of 2 to the power of 10. Because remember, square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1/2. So basically, your r is going to equal square root of 2, and your common ratio has to be positive, so that works out. Our r is positive. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.